Hey, those are some pretty sick boots you got there, bro. Where'd you get those?
Size 15 Red Wings, bud. Can't work out without them. Best dang boots I ever bought in my life, bud.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, bro? How you doing?
What's going on, dude? I got this new sweet pumperama. Is that how you got so big and strong?
But you bloomin' idiot. He didn't get that big from taking no pumperama.
No, you fool! Give me that!
Yes! Smash it, boy! Get it!
Stop. Hammer time.
Only Shatter SX7 has 400 milligrams of caffeine, 3.2 grams of beta-alanine, and 400 milligrams of PKTV!
Feather Shatter SX7 so it's about as necessary as these here Red Wings to get a pump, bud.
Fat pigs and the pumperama!